Welcome to the 30-day yoga challenge designed to get you flexible, strong, and calm in only 10 minutes a day. Hi, I'm Sarah Beth, and I've been teaching yoga online for 15 years to nearly 2 million yogis on YouTube and in the SarahBethYoga app. Over 30 days, you'll experience energizing stretches, full body flows, and deep yin relaxation. Whether you feel tension from sitting all day or you just want to feel stronger and more flexible, I've got you covered. Here's how it works. Each day, you'll get a new email from me with a 10-minute yoga video. Just open the email, press play, and follow along. It's that simple. We'll start with the basics and progress from there, so this is great for all levels. If you love yoga, but you struggle to practice regularly, this challenge is ideal for you. Think of it as a realistic way to fit yoga into your busy life. So if you're ready to see what 10 minutes of yoga a day can do for you, join me for the free 30-day yoga challenge. Just click the first link in the description below or scan this QR code and I'll send you the challenge calendar and all the details. See you there.